So in this video, I will explain what RAG is, what fine-tuning is, and the key differences between them, and which one is most commonly used today and why. So let's start with the RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Think of RAG as giving your AI access to a live knowledge base. Instead of relying only on what it was trained on, it can pull in relevant information in real time for documents, databases, or internal systems. And that's why it's widely used in things like chatbots, enterprise search, and analytics, because the data is always changing. And now let's talk about fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is different. Fine-tuning is about training the model itself on your data. You are not just giving it access to information, you are shaping how it thinks, how it responds, and how it behaves. This is useful when you want to consistent tone, domain expertise, or very specific output. So the core difference is simple. RAG brings external knowledge to the model when needed, and fine-tuning builds that knowledge directly into the model. Now, which one is more commonly used? So today RAG is used more in real-world applications, and the reason is simple. It's faster to implement, easier to update, and works well with the dynamic data. Fine-tuning is still powerful, but it's typically used when you need deeper customization or very specific behavior. So in reality, the best system combines both, RAG for fresh information and fine-tuning for better performance at control. So it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about using the right approach for your use case.